Happy holidays, everybody. It's CEO of ROV, Rich Off EA, Giovanni Cruz, and I got some great news for all you guys, all the traders out there. There's a lot going on in the Forex industry right now where unregulated brokers have been getting kicked off with MT4 and MT5, and now ROV, we have to evolve. All traders have to evolve and keep moving forward. So guys, we have the new NEO EA on MT5 now. So now NEO is available for MT5 at richoffpips.net. The profitable EA that released earlier this year that went viral, that's able to pass prop firms and kill live accounts, guys. You guys can now have access to that same EA, just upgraded because it's on MT5, so it's even more better by default. There are still brokers out there that allow MT4, allow MT5, that have decent leverage and that you can trade indices with, guys. So 2024, if you still want to make hands-free profits, you can do so using the NEO EA new and improved MT5 version. If you've already purchased the MT4 version of NEO and you're in my Discord, you automatically have access to the NEO EA on the MT5 for free, guys. So let's keep going, let's keep striving and making passive income.
All right, guys, let's get straight into it. We got the NEO EA for the MT5. As you guys can see, we are on the MT5 platform, and I've showed you guys how the EA works on the MT4 platform already. And before I show you guys the NEO EA on MT5, I want to address that there have been many people that's been scammed by people trying to resell a fake NEO online. People will act like they have the NEO bot and sell people the bot. Guys, if you did not get it from richoffpips.net, then you have the wrong EA. The real EA is updated with so many different things that these people are not selling. Also, if you want to have the same settings that I have, then you guys won't have access to that, because only way you can get access to that is by buying it and getting access to my Discord. Okay, guys, so also, all of my EAs are licensed. It comes with a key, so it won't even start unless you have the right key. So I just want to tell you guys, stop trying to save $1 by buying into a bot that is, being sold by a scammer. It's not being sold by the maker, which is me, because what's going to happen is you're not going to have free updates. You're not going to have all the settings that we have here. You're going to have a version of the bot that is not the bot that I have here. So with that being said, let's get into it. As far as the MT5 version of this EA, it works the same as the MT4 version that I currently have. The only difference is it's better on MT5 simply because on the MT5 terminal, you have more things you can do. There's so much more data available for us when we're back testing. So on MT4 version, we don't have optimization results where we can back test and see which pairs give you the best results based on the settings that you put into the bot. So here I can put optimization, I can put all symbols, and I can see which symbol gives me the lowest amount of drawdown. And a lot of you guys might be interested in that and seeing what pair gives me the lowest amount of drawdown, so I can use it on prop firms or just for live accounts, because trading is risky at the end of the day. So simply because we have so much more data available to us, that's what makes this MT5 version of NEO even better than the NEO was on the MT4 version. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to back test for you guys from November 1st till 12/22. Okay, happy holidays to everybody. Happy New Year, by the way. So let's get started. And you guys can see that the NEO EA works just the same as it did before. If you guys remember the strategy, it's a grid system EA. And you guys can see the grid system is working. As long as you can accept that there's drawdown in Forex trading, you're going to be successful with this EA with proper risk management. And of course, guys, you guys can use the drawdown setting, which I'm going to show you guys after this simulation. You guys can use the drawdown setting to optimize and see which pairs have the lowest drawdown for the NEO EA, so you guys can be successful. And we're already at $373 profit on this EA in about 4 days. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, and this is the type of profit you guys could have made, or the type of returns you guys could have made if you would have had the NEO EA from November 1st till now. Also, a lot of people have questions like, is this bot use margin tail? You can have the bot multiply lots if you want to, but you can also turn that setting off. So, if the market wants to open new entries, it doesn't always have to open bigger lots. You can absolutely turn that off if you want to. So you guys can see it just closed a big trade, multiple trades, and now we're almost at $1,000 in profit in December. If you guys are wondering, for this test, I have it on a 0.1 lot size. So all these results is only based on a 0.1 lot size setting. Also, I have many people that hit me up. Can this bot be used for hedge funds? Yes, this bot can be used for hedge funds. Just contact me on Telegram if you're interested in that as well. And you guys can see the new balance here, $4,020, and we started with 3K. Let's go ahead and look at the graph. You guys can see the graph goes straight up. You can look at the back test. You guys can see that it's 100% accurate. History is 100% accurate. And you absolutely would have made $1,020 if you started with at least $3,000 and had it on a 0.1 lot size and use the settings that I have here, right? Settings that will be in my Discord after you purchase. And you guys can see here, this is what I mean why the MT5 version is better than the MT4 version, because we just have way more data. You can see it says maximum drawdown was about 18% at most. That's not bad. Like I said, if you can accept that there's drawdown in Forex, then you will be successful. And I'm pretty sure we could get this number lower once we optimize the bot and see which pair gives you the lowest drawdown on the settings that I currently have. Obviously, different settings will give you different results with every single pair, but these are just some GU results that I've made for a low size account from 1 to 3K. You guys can see the percentages of trades won. 96% of longs was won. 71% of shorts was won. You guys can see entries by hours on the Asia, Europe, and USA. Entries by weekdays, entries by months, profits and losses by hours, weekdays, and of course the graph, right? We just have so much data here, and that's what's gonna make our settings way more profitable. So I'm very excited for this new year, because now that we have this bot on MT5, our people are just gonna be killing it even more. So now I'm gonna show you guys where we can do a quick little optimization, where we can click the optimization button. We can use all symbols that's on a market watch. So, that doesn't include indices, because I haven't put any indices up here. But yes, the EA does work on indices as well. You just have to find a broker that you work with that uses indices as well. And if you guys need a broker, I will have a broker in the link in description. But all of these pairs right here on my market watch will be optimized, and it will show me which pairs work the best and have the lowest amount of drawdown, because that's the setting I'm putting, lowest amount of drawdown for these pairs. Okay, fam, so here we have optimization results for an account with at least $1,000. Okay, I created this for the GU pair, but I can see here that there are different pairs here that do have lower drawdown when I use those settings. It may not be as profitable, but they have lower drawdown and it's safer. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure why I didn't take any trades on NZD CAD, but here we have odd NZD with only 6.93% drawdown. Okay, that's the drawdown here for odd NZD. And for that, you get $142.33. So what this basically means is, since we have lower drawdown, maybe we can up the lot size and be safe, and still be profitable. It only took 50 trades though. Odd USD, we have 10% drawdown, and we have $248 profit, and it took 97 trades. Euro USD, we have $511 profit with 14% drawdown. You guys can see it's color coded, obviously green, like a limeish color, and it goes down to red for a bad drawdown number. NZD USD, we had 16% drawdown with $364 profit. And again, GU, which I just showed you guys, we had 18% profit 18% drawdown, excuse me, with a $1,020 profit, taking 222 trades. So honestly, like, it's kind of the sweet spot. I see GU and Euro USD kind of being great pairs to use with these settings that I have here, simply off of, if you're looking for low drawdown and high profitability, right? CAD is another option, 21% drawdown, $341 in profit, 99 trades taken. And as you guys can see here, we go down to USD CAD with 74% drawdown, and we were not profitable with this pair. Okay, guys. So let's just say you want to trade something like USD JPY. You guys can see it had bad drawdown and it was not profitable, right? You simply have to create different settings for this pair. It doesn't mean that it's not profitable with this bot. It just means that the settings that I have here are not for USD JPY and they need to be changed and tested. And that's all that means. So I want to do one more test for my prop firm people that, maybe want to buy a 50K account, 100K account, or maybe you want to use this for a hedge fund. I don't know. Whatever your business is with the EA. I want to do 100,000. Okay, guys. So what I did was I changed the lot size from a 0.1 to a 0.8. So I wanted to see was if you are able to pass a prop firm if you had this EA anytime from November till now. Okay, guys. You guys can see we're in $1,500 profit. Also, if you guys are wondering, just like the MT4 version, it does have equity protection that you can put based on this amount of money you're losing or the percentage loss. So equity protection is there, weekly filter is still there, daily profit settings are still there, where if you hit a certain amount of money for the day, it will close all trades and it will stop trading for the day. News filter is still here as well, guys, on the MT5 version. So I can see here, 0.8 is doing pretty well. We're at $3,000 in profit on a 100K account. Let's see if we can get to 8 to 10% profits made. Also, just a quick tip for all my prop firm people. Just because you have a profitable bot like NEO doesn't mean you have to rush the process. A lot of prop firms, it doesn't have an expiration date on the prop firms. That means you can take your time using this EA to win you trades. You don't have to over lot size, over risk. Just take your time actually passing the challenges. And this EA will pass you your challenges. And as you guys can see, we're about to inch towards 8% profit for this simulation. And I'm pretty sure that's all you need for a phase 1 prop firm. And we hit it, 8% profit, $108,000 on a prop firm. You guys can see the graph. You guys can see the balance drawdown maximum was 1.44%. So that's great. And we have $8,000 profit, the win losses, and all the data here. And of course, 100% history data, right? 100% quality means that whatever this backtest says would have happened. These are the exact results. And again, numbers don't lie. So again, it's been great for the NEO MT4 version, but now we're on the MT5 version. And of course, when you get the NEO EA at www.richoffpips.net, link will be in the description, you will get both versions. You get the MT4 version and the MT5 version when you purchase the EA. Also, other EAs I have on my website will be coming out with the MT5 version sometime in January 2024. So again, thank you guys for all your support with Rich Off EAs, and I'm so happy to release the NEO MT5. Let's get making these profits, guys. See ya.